Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the container ID and that you're on the desired published or workspace version, because mismatches waste time. Next, open GTM and click Preview, paste the page URL, and press Connect so the Tag Assistant appears. Once done, open Chrome DevTools. Console and Network tabs are most important, and keep the Tag Assistant pane visible. This gives real-time event and data layer visibility, letting you see what fires before deeper tests. Now focus on the complex middle steps. Reproduce the user path that should trigger tags while watching Tag Assistant for events and data layer pushes so you can map triggers to data. For each event, confirm tag status, fired, not fired, or blocked, and inspect trigger conditions and variables. Use DevTools, set JavaScript breakpoints, add console. Log in custom code, and filter network requests for analytics endpoints like collect to confirm payloads. Make small changes, refresh, and iterate until outputs match expectations. Finish by applying targeted fixes, adjust trigger logic, correct variable names, or change tag sequencing and consent settings. Then use Preview to validate across multiple pages and user flows. Once confident, test on staging and publish the container. If something still fails, isolate the problem. Revert to a minimal workspace with only the offending tag, reproduce the failure, and read console errors for hints about missing permissions, mixed protocols, or blocked third-party cookies. That isolation step usually reveals hidden conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.